We did it!
Never thought I'd make it this far, but here we are.
This is the day. This is the most important day.
Take it all in.
The moment we have been waiting for has materialized.
4 years kind of passed by in a blink. That went pretty fast.
Hopkins inspired me to really pursue my passions and see where they lead me.
Welcome to the 147th Johns Hopkins University Commencement for the great class of 2023. Your lives will be full of opportunities to undertake individual acts of consequence. Don't lose sight of the opportunities also to participate in collective endeavors when that moment comes.
While today marks the last time we will be together as a class, I want you to remember that it will be only one of the many bookends that frame the chapters, books, and volumes of our lives.
Welcome, President Zelenskyy, to Johns Hopkins.
Thank you. And time is the most valuable resource on the planet. This century will be our century, a century where freedom, innovation, and democratic values reign. All of our tomorrows depends on each of our todays.
To be at that final step where all I have to do is walk across the stage, I feel like is pretty big and amazing. Try to smile and don't trip.
We're like real people now. We have to go out and we're gonna go find jobs. Yeah.
Graduate.